2, 3. Where'd I go?
Right here. Cosimo, what are you doing today?
We're doing a dancing.
What kind of dance?
Queen.
Yeah, it's not that. You have to wear a sarong.
Oh, see, we do have a sarong.
Yeah.
So hot.
So hot, yeah.
It's just an illusion. You're not hot. You think you are.
Spicy.
When I put this on. Okay, in Balinese dance, we have male and female. They are different styles, so that's why we have two teachers.
Yes.
So you will learn with Awan.
Okay.
You learn with me. My name is Katu.
Not too much line like this one.
Before you learn how
big,
to
big, yeah.
Balinese type of Balinese
Not
dance,
many lines.
first you need to learn is the basic.
He rated your dancing 6.
6 out of 100. Damn, Johnson.
Oh, you couldn't control your arms. You need to work on that.
Okay, your guys' turn.
you doing today?
We're carving.
Carving
You-
what?
Carving a watermelon.
Are you sure it's a watermelon?
It's a watermelon, not a
We're
mango.
carving
Who told you? Did he tell you?
Is it a watermelon?
So this is the fruit carving team.
Watermelon!
Oh, watermelon!
Hey, girl team and boy team.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know.
I really want to
Better than you
see.
guys. Yes, we get knives.
We'll make flowers.
Flowers.
Okay.
Yes.
For the basic.
Wow.
I love it.
When we're done, do we get to eat?
Yeah, after. So first we need stand everywhere. Yeah, this for stand.
Oh, get a part to make a stand.
Yeah.
Okay.
There. Now you have your stand.
Now we are fillet first. Yeah, from up here to half the fruit. Like this.
Bye.
Why is it a green?
Yeah,
Wait, so we have to do
this.
like that.
Yeah.
Oh, because we're shaving it now. Yes, we have to shave it off till it's red.
Pink. We need pink.
Oh, pink. Pink.
Yeah. All fruit.
All fruit.
But you must do not like a half.
So it can't be a very soft fruit.
Like you can't do a tomato. Tomato's too soft.
Yeah, tomato too soft. But tomato can, but just need some open the skin and then
yeah.
make like a petal.
Wow, this is kind of relaxing.
As tools for fruit carving, you just need a knife.
Yeah.
Wow, this is like the best one. We can do it anywhere.
Yeah. Can you make like a dragon's face out of watermelon? I don't know.
If you already understand the technique for the carving,
Yeah.
so you can make everything.
I found a red part.
Okay, now
I found a red part. Two red parts.
there's a different technique. This is like a
How nice
gent.
your fruit
Her
looks
technique
versus
is-
red.
Yes.
Cut it, flick it at me, do it again.
And theirs is let's just slash it all off. And so their pieces are big chunks.
Oh.
And they're gonna cut off half of the thing too. Just keep your fingers, okay? Oh, so you need another kind of knife.
Yeah,
oh
but just
my
a smaller
gosh.
one.
We want this one.
His head is bald.
Okay, for the flower, we need circle for the
Circle,
basic.
yes.
We can do like drawing first for the circle, like this.
Oh, you
Yeah.
draw it?
Yeah, drawing, or we can do cut.
Wait, but in the middle or on the side?
So side. Okay, circle first. Put knife straight. Yeah, half the knife, but this must straight. Yeah, all the way round. Do circle. Okay, good, good. So we cut inside the line. Yeah, angle. So you push the knife. Okay. We do all the way round angle cut. Now we can take out this one.
Look at that. It's red.
Yeah, so again. Take off. Okay, one more. More here. Take off. Okay, we get basic for the flowers.
Oh, that's so cool. Really?
And then I show you. Now we do here.
He's eating it.
All the way round.
I can fix up this circle.
Line here for section. So we will make petal. One, no, not just line, yeah.
All the
2,
way through? Oh no, just tiny line.
3, yeah. 4,
3. There we go.
5. You see the line? Okay, after we get line, we do straight from here. We cut straight like this. 1, yeah.
Okay, we have to cut along the sections.
2, we do 5 like this, yeah. 2, 3 more.
So we have to cut
3,
along the
4,
sections.
5. Okay, you do. Try. Ready? We get 4. So now I show you. We do petal from this line to second line. Now we do angle cut like this, all the way round.
You said 5, but I think I have to do 6.
Take.
Maybe I should have done
Okay.
more.
Almost here, yeah.
Mine looks kind of weird. Can I see
Angle
yours?
cut. Take out. Okay, maybe I'll show you. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay. 1 here. 2,
These are good knives.
3, and then so we can cut round. Okay. You can take off.
No, you can use the white side.
can do. I think need more cut.
Oh, look at that.
Okay. After that, we do 5 lines here. 1,
So you do it outside,
2,
but look, you have to put the inside.
3, 4, and 5.
Guys, look how beautiful it is when you get to the park.
One like
doing
this,
the
yeah.
petals.
1.
Oh,
You do
so
5
now
same like this. Okay. You do 4 more cut like this. Go round up. Yeah.
Take it out.
Yeah. 3 more. Ready?
Go in a half circle. He did one less paddle because one came a little too big. Cosimo, what happened here?
Kind of dying.
Oh my god. Maybe you're not so much into food.
I don't think I'm an expert. I wouldn't say. He said make them big. I made them big.
That's not big, that's huge.
Look, Mom, there's juice.
Yeah.
I made
you gonna drink
watermelon
it?
juice.
Oh wow, look at that.
Now we do here. So I show you 1 petal. 1. Okay. Yeah, of course.
I would say I'm a master now.
Can I see your tortured watermelon?
It's a deranged flower. Deranged.
Oh, it's improved.
Yep.
It's getting better and better.
That's why I say I'm a master now.
I don't know about that. You were eating it.
Look at my beautiful masterpiece. This is flower with a bite taken out of it. And this is flower with 1 leaf. And Seamus over here, kind of, yeah. So yeah, and Mama,
It's a cooperation. This is Luca.
yeah.
This is mine.
Oh, what? Yours is like a rose. How did you do that? Show off, Mama. She probably's already done this like 10,000 times. Emma, this is yours.
Okay.
This is hers. This is also hers.
So close to my face.
Let me see your face. And well, she's letting him do most of the work.
See, your watermelon wasn't very pink.
Oh.
Beautiful. And there's this happening. Yeah.
I can love me better, baby. Can love me better.
Okay, I need to spell this thing.
Spell right. You know how to spell right.
Last time, Wait, what?
Yeah, they practice. This is not fair. Hey. I'm trying to be graceful.
Okay, the helicopter.
I want to see you do that.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, guys, this is my final product. It looks beautiful. There we go. And now let's go see Emma's. Where's Emma's? Oh, this is yours.
It's beautiful!
Oh, this is one. This is another one. This is another one. And they're all really good. So yeah, guys, keep on following. And you'll see more of this other YouTuber. Ow.
And me!
And you.
And me!
Okay. Bye.
Wait, what happened to your flower? You ate it.
This is too good.
Oh, I guess the beauty of this is you just cut it off and eat it. Although he did tell me they usually make these for ceremonies, and usually they do not eat the fruit because it's been sitting for like a day. But in your case, we'll see tomorrow in the bathroom what happens.
That fish might want some food.
My face. Can we cut ours?
This is the prettiest watermelon you ever ate, right? For sure. Luca is gonna cut the watermelon that we did together.
No. Wait. It's facing the wrong direction.
Yeah.
No, don't do it. Wait.
No.
You're not doing it?
Well, I want to cut it.
Please, he's gonna cut your hand off. Oh, that is so sad. What are you doing?
He's trying to mess
Don't cut your.
Oh, look at that. That must be so good.
First,
Luca, you need to take a cutting lesson so you don't cut your fingers
Probably
off.
should have done that before we came here. Can you open
Yours
that
is
cutting
next.
lesson?
The watermelon, of course.
You look a bit sweaty.
Oh no, that was water. I poured water on my.
I don't think you've ever had so much watermelon.
Realize you could knock it out.
What would happen?
And these things are like dead weights.
Look at that.
Bad thing. Very bad thing.
You'd have to be like.
So,
Why am I holding this?
We bought a knife so we can start making more of our own of these things.
because our instructor makes them, and so we
and
bought
then we'll
one.
send you the pictures of us doing it even better.
Yes, sure. Thank you. We're gonna practice, right?
Yes.
But we get one.
Hey,
Thank
wait,
you.
I stuck this in my nose.
Oh my gosh, let's
you
take
go.
this away from me. Bye. Thank you.